The eternal question, how do I grow on Twitter or X, the land of chaos, wit, and hot takes, where a single sentence can make you a legend or a meme in 30 seconds flat. Let's break this down like a strategist, not a spammer. First of all, define your persona. Who are you online? Right? Twitter rewards identity in consistency. Okay? So you gotta decide, are you the expert dropping valuable insights, the comedian posting chaos and relatability, the curator sharing gems from across the web, the creator building things, documenting the process. Pick one core tone and everything else will orbit around it. Think of it like being the main character of your own niche universe. All right. Step 2, pick your battlefield or niche. If you try to talk about everything, you'll reach no one. Choose one of these common growth zones: tech and AI, money, business, investing, fitness and self-improvement, writing, storytelling, creative lifestyle, pop culture commentary, memes if you're truly unhinged in the best way. Your early followers come because you're predictable. They know what to expect when they see your name. Step 3, craft a magnetic tweet. The art of scroll stopping. Good tweets have hooks, emotion, and clarity. Some formats that work every time, like most people do X, smart people do Y. I wasted 3 years doing this. Don't repeat my mistake. 10 underrated tools that feel illegal to know. Here's what nobody tells you about this niche. Key rule: write like you talk, but cut the fluff. Short, sharp, and scrollable. Step 4, consistency outweighs virality. The Twitter algorithm loves active creators. So, post 2 to 3 times a day, reply to other big accounts with real insights, not just fire emojis and stuff. Quote, tweet, trending post with your own twist. Okay? Momentum on Twitter comes from interactions, not just your tweet. Okay? Step 5, engage smart, not desperate. Okay? When you reply to big accounts, add new perspective. Okay? Health. Yeah. Add the new perspective. Be early. Replies in the first 3 minutes can go viral themselves. Never beg for followers. Add value and people will naturally click. Also, engage with your own followers. The community builds loyalty faster than virality ever will. Step 6, use content systems. Notion or Typefully plan for planning your tweets. Tweet Hunter or TweetTube or TweetHub, Hypefury for scheduling and analyze. ChatGPT help you rephrase ideas into tweet-worthy gold. Okay. Batch your ideas weekly. Don't rely on inspiration. Treat it like content fitness. Step 7, study your analytics, then evolve. Once you hit 1K, 2K followers, track what topics and phrases got engagement, double down on them, drop threads that give many lessons. They build authority. Also, post your wins and behind the scenes. People follow humans, not robots. Okay? Final tip, be polarizing, not annoying. The fastest growing accounts stand for something. Say unpopular truths. Share real takes. Challenge trends. Don't chase virality or virality. Chase authentic energy. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.